Sometimes you just feel tired, or feel weak. And when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop. Millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not, you're gonna fear it. So while you're in it, try to get as much as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, the shit does not offend me. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me. Even though half you people got a problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect.
He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow. To Moscow chicks, he was such a lovely dear. He preached the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was the kind of teacher women would desire. Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on.
Килограмм вазон тойфасы. Весовая категория 70 килограмм. Официальное представление бойцов. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner. He's 31 years old. Yosh 31. He stands 180 centimeters tall. Boyu 180 centimeter. Official weight 70 kilos. Vazni 70 kilogram. Representing Jintara Jiu-Jitsu, Balneário Camboriú do Brasil. Here is Jackson Tortoro Loureiro. Raqiba hamyurtimizning yoshi 32da, bo'yi 173 cm, vazni 70 kg. Он мастер спорта по боевому самбо, мастер спорта по панкратиону, мастер спорта по ММА, представляет клуб единоборств Fight-база Ozbekistan Toshkent. Killer Muhammadjon Qurbonov. Рефери поединка Манав Кабдиев, Казахстан.
Prelimni oxirgi jangiga start berildi. Oktagonda Muhammadjon Qurbonov O'zbekiston hamda Jackson Loureiro Braziliya.
Yana bir bor aytib o'tishimiz mumkin. Matchmakerlar juda ham yaxshi ishlashgan. Yana bir-biriga mos raqiblar, rekord jihatdan juda ham yaqin, yosh jihatdan juda ham yaqin. Haqiqatan zo'r jang ko'ramiz. Bunga ishonchim komil.
14-4 Qurbonov, 15-6 Loureiro. Rekordi albatta.
Qurbonov chap qo'l asosiy zarba stoykasida ishlayapti. va bilamizki uni aynan mana shu orqa qo'ldan beradigan zarbasi juda ham xavfli va braziliyalik sportchilar doimgidek o'ta chidamli va jangni oxirigacha olib borishga harakat qilishadi. Nostandart harakatlar qilishga harakat qilyapti Jekson.
Va albatta xavfli parter, jitserlar, ya'ni braziliyaliklar. Oy, lekin stoykada ham Loureiro oldinga qarab boryapti.
Ular bitta xatoni kechirishmaydi parterda. Siz xato qildingiz, tamom. Hozircha takedownga harakatlar ko'rmadik. Mana birinchi harakat o'zi qo'yib berdi va Kurturmusga gard holatini tiklab oldi Jekson va Qurbonov ana endi o'ziga kerakli bo'lgan ballarni yig'ib olishi mumkin holatda, lekin ehtiyot bo'lish kerak. Kurturmusga 3 burchak usuliga o'tishga harakat qilyapti braziliyalik sportchi.
Yuqoridan ammo tegmay qoldi.
Yaxshi zarba, urinish bo'ldi.
Birozgina noaniq. U yog'iga parter.
Tirsaklar bilan pastdan turgan
Yaxshi.
holatda Jekson zarba berishga harakat qilyapti. Qurbonov jangni o'z nazoratida ushlab turibdi. Lekin bo'shashish kerak emas. Kurturmuski oyoqlari juda yuqori turibdi Jeksonni. Chiqib ketdi holatidan, lekin Bekman holatiga yaqin turibdi va birinchi oyog'i o'tdi. Ikkinchi oyog'ini o'tqiza oldi va to'liq Bekman holatida o'tirib oldi. Braziliyalik sportchi juda ham hozir yomon ahvolda Jekson. Va zarbalar ketma-ketligi. Chiqib keta oladimi? Jekson chiqib keta oladimi bu holatdan?
Taslim bo'ldi. Finish. Birinchi raundning o'zida Muhammadjon Qurbonov, yana Fight Baza jangchisi chiroyli g'alabaga erishyapti.
Kechaki vazn o'lchash marosimida bo'lgan ko'ngilsiz holatlar menimcha hozirgi jangdan keyingi harakatlarga sabab bo'lsa kerak. Muhammadjon Qurbonov ajoyib g'alaba, dominant g'alaba.
Время съемки поединка. 2 минута 40 секунда первого раунда. Техник нокаут план. TKO победу одержал. Fight Baza Toshkent Killer Muhammadjon Qurbonov.